Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, Samsung Galaxy S25 series to get seamless update support. For next year's flagships, Apple and Samsung both gradually upgrading their smartphones, and the competition is getting higher and higher. This time it is reported that the new seamless update feature is expected to be rolled out to Samsung's flagship lineup. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The seamless update feature that Android users have been waiting for on Samsung devices for several years may finally appear with the release of the Galaxy S25 series. This was reported by Vietnamese tech insider on his social network page. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed it yet, it makes sense. The Galaxy A55 was the first to use a two-part A and B partition for booting, allowing Android updates to be downloaded and installed in the background. Instead of the usual lengthy installation of updates, users will only need to reboot their device to activate the new version of the system. The seamless update feature was introduced by Google back in 2016, at the Google I/O conference along with the release of Android N, but initially, it required double the amount of memory, and was not optimized enough. However, thanks to numerous improvements, this limitation has long since disappeared, and the feature has become important not only for speeding up the update process, but also for improving security. For example, if an update fails, the device can revert to the previous version without causing any inconvenience to the user. After successful testing in the Galaxy A55, the new seamless update feature is expected to be rolled out to Samsung's flagship lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a long-awaited innovation for fans of the brand, especially considering that the hardware changes in this series are rumored to be minor. The Galaxy S25 is said to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally, but the display will remain an older AMOLED panel. Although there will be some visual improvements, the main changes to the cameras will be a sensor swap, but the rest of the system is expected to remain the same. Thus, Samsung's flagship new products will receive a significant performance boost. Judging by past leaks, devices on Snapdragon 8 Elite are capable of scoring more than 3 million points in the Antutu benchmark, which is almost twice as much as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In addition, the Samsung Galaxy S26 line will also be based on Qualcomm chips, while Exynos will only be available in the Galaxy S27, which will be released in early 2027. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.